Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel MS Commerce Classes. This channel will be especially helpful to the commerce student. Now, I uploaded a complete package of financial statement analysis and reporting. This FSR is coming under the accounting and finance honors of a fifth semester of our university. Let's discuss this chapter. In today's lecture, I discuss about the basic overview or the introductions of the financial statement. Before going to the discussion, first of all, I want to say the meaning of accounting. I hope you all of you know about some basic meaning of accounting. The accounting means it involves recording, classifying, summarizing the various business transactions. Everyone know the meaning of accounting. At the end of the year, the accounting prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. All the business transactions are in the financial statement comprising primarily the position statement of the balance sheet and the income statement, or we call profit and loss account. Meaning of financial statements. The financial statements is the combinations of profit and loss account, or we called the income statement, and the position statement or the balance sheet. Before going to the meaning of the financial statements, we just take a introduction. In the preparation of final accounts of a firm, the financial statements display the net result for a given year. They play a vital role in the allowing user of the financial statements to understand the result of a firm of a given year. What do you mean by financial statement? And the financial statements are the statements which is the consisting of profit and loss account and balance sheet. The financial statement shows at the end of the accounting year or at the end of the financial year. The financial year starts from 1st April and end from 31st March of the every year. In this financial statement, we just want to show the net result of the business. The preparations of financial account of a firm, the financial statement display the net result of the given year. They play a vital role in the allowing of a user of financial statements to understand the result of a firm of a given year. 1 year में जितना प्रॉफिट हो रहा है और या लॉस हो रहा है, ये सबको एक फाइनल रिपोर्ट देता है कौन? द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. I hope you understand. The financial statements is a formal record of a financial activities of a positions of the business, persons and other entity. It represents the structure manner in a form to easy to understand. ये जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट है ना, ये जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स एक फॉर्मल रिकॉर्ड है. किसका? एक बिजनेस का और एक पर्सन का और एक एंटिटी का. जब भी हम एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ईयर कंप्लीट होने के बाद उनका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट शो चेक करते हैं और तो बैलेंस शीट चेक करते हैं ना, उसी टाइम में जो रिपोर्ट देखते हैं इसको ही बोलते हैं हम फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. दिस फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इज द फॉर्मल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज. ऑल द एक्टिविटीज of the organization or the entity are taken as a financial statement. Let's understand the meaning of the financial statement. The financial statement of a company reflect a true picture of its financial performance. The deficit not only profit and loss but also asset and liabilities. It is only at the end of the all accounting process that we can be generate these statements. Earlier I discussed about it that the financial statements is the complete reflective of a true picture or a complete picture of the financial performance, which will be taken as the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Yes or no? The complete analysis of a profit and loss account in the balance sheet is called financial statements. It is only prepared at the end of the accounting process, at the end of the accounting year. The financial statement is the collection of data organized according to the logical and consisting of accounting procedures. The financial statement all the collections of data organized according to the logical and consisting of accounting procedures. The financial statements are the outcome of the summarizing process of the accounting. In the accounting, at the end of the accounting period, the analysis of the summarizing of the both profit and loss account and balance sheets. The summarizing part is the called financial statement. Let's take a look at the objective of the financial statements along with their features. Before going to the objective of the financial statements, we just understand the financial statements are basically report of the deficit of financial and accounting information relating to a business. A company management uses to communicate with the external stakeholders. This includes shareholders, tax authorities, regulatory body, investors, creditors, etc. Whenever we're taking this part, we understand the meaning of a financial statement. The financial statement is the combinations of a position statement and income statement. The position statement is the balance sheet and the income statement is the profit and loss account. These statements are used to convey the management and other interested outsiders to the profitability and the financial position of the firm. Whenever we're talking about the discussion of on that topic, the stakeholders, the tax authorities, investors, and the regulatory bodies all are dependent upon the financial statements. These financial statements, the most important aspects of the financial year. The investors are analysis with the financial statement. After analysis of a financial statement, the investors are try to invest in the organization. And the creditor are after analysis of the financial statements, they give some money for the organization. So the financial statements are prepared correctly and accurately. It will be helpful to the business or to the organization. These statements are basically include the following reports such as balance sheet, profit and loss account, statements of cash flow, income sheet. These are included in the financial statements. Nextly, the nature of a financial statements. Generally, the financial statements are prepared on the basis of a recorded fact. The recorded fact are those which can be expressed in the monetary term. The statements are prepared for the particular period, generally in 1 year, which we called previously. The statements are generally prepared for in 1 year or one accounting period. The accounting period starts from 1st April and end from 31st March. These financial statements prepared on the basis of a recorded fact. That means historical transactions are taken. The financial statements are prepared using facts relating to the events which are recorded in chronologically. The chronologically means the transactions are recorded when the event are happen. The chronologically means the transactions are recorded when the events are happen. The accounting records the finance statement prepared from records are based on the historical cost. Thus, we have to first record all these facts in the monetary term. Before going to the financial statements, first of all, we record all the transactions in chronological order in the monetary form. Then we have to process them using all the applicable rules and procedures. I hope you all of you know all the rules, all the journal rules, ledger rules, how it will be treated as the profit and loss account, how it will be treated as in the balance sheet. These are the basic meaning. I hope you all of you know how in transactions treated on profit and loss account, trading account, and balance sheet. You all know. No need of giving extra explanation on that topic. I know the financial statements are prepared using the fact of relating to the event, which are recorded in the chronologically. Thus, we have to first record all these facts in the monetary terms. Then, we have to process them using the all applicable rules and procedures. Finally, we can now use all this data to generate financial statements. Whenever we arrange all the data in the chronological order in the monetary term, after that, we taking into account to generate the financial statements. The financial statements means the combinations of a trading and PL account and the balance sheet. The main aim of the financial statements to know the profit and loss of the organization. According to American Institutions of a Certified Public Accounts, states that the nature of a financial account statements is the financial statements are prepared for the purpose of presenting a periodical review of a report on progress by the management and deal with the states of investment in the business and the result achieved during the period under review. These are the some natures of the financial statements. Postlet. Postlets. Apart from the conventions, even postlets plays a big role in the preparations of the statement. Postlets are basically presumptions that we must be make accounting. For example, the going concern postulate presume the business will be exist for a long time. Sorry friends, one slide miss. Just wait. The first nature is record fact. We need first to record fact in a monetary form to create a statement, which we discussed previously. Before we prepare a financial statement, we need to record the fact in a chronological order. We need to first record the fact in a monetary form to create a statement. For this, we need to account for the figure of account like fixed asset, cash, trade receivable. The term record fact refers to the data taken from the accounting records. So record fact का मतलब क्या है? अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड को हमारा यहाँ पे पुट करना है. The term record fact refers to the data taken out of the accounting record. जब हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट और बैलेंस शीट प्रिपेयर करते हैं, हमको हमारा अकाउंटिंग का रिकॉर्ड को पुट करना है. These records are maintained on the basis of actual cost data. The original cost or the historical cost is the base of a recording of the various transactions. First of all, we just record in the monetary term before create a statement. For this, we need accounting figures of the accounting of fixed asset, care, trade receivable, all the expenses, or all the incomes. These are first convert in the monetary term. The next nature is accounting conventions. The accounting conventions means these are the some rules, certain accounting conventions or certain rules. Accounting standards prescribe certain conventions applicable in the process of accounting. Whenever we're preparing an accounting, we just follow some rule or follow some conventions. We have to apply this convention while preparing the statement. When we prepare the financial statements, we apply these rules because these rules are pre-fixed. For example, the valuations of inventory at a cost price or market price depending upon whichever is lower. It's a very common example. Accounting convention में एक rule है, whenever we calculations of inventory or stock, if they are given two prices, the cost price and market price, we taking whichever is lower of both price. These are the some rule. When we prepare accounting, we just follow some rule. The next one is postulate. The means postulate means these are the some suggested which will be applicable, which will be true. Apart from these conventions, even postulate plays a big role in the preparations of a finance statements. When we prepare a financial statements, we just follow all the rules and regulations of the accounts. We just follow all the rules and regulations of the account. Postulates are basically presumptions that we must make in account. All the rules and regulations will be followed in this account. For example, the going concern postulate presume a business will exist for a long term. According to going concern concept, the business will be continue for a long term. These are the rules. These are the rules for which will be proved. These rules are proved in the account. The account makes some certain assumptions while making some accounting record. One of these assumptions is that the enterprise is treated as a going concern. Yes or no? Everyone is know the enterprise is a going concern. The other alternative of the postulate is that the concern is to be liquidated. Yes or no? If management shows an intentions to liquidity to the concern, so the asset are shown on the going concern basis. Yes or no? This is another nature of financial statements. The next nature is personal judgment. Personal judgment. Even personal opinions and judgments plays a big role in the preparations of the statements. Whenever we're preparing a financial statements, it's depend upon our personal opinion. It's depend upon our personal judgment. The certain accounting standards or accounting conventions are followed whenever we're preparing the financial statements. But still, personal judgments of the accounting plays an important part, plays an important role. For example, whenever we are applying the cost price or the market price, whenever we are applying the cost price or the market price of a value, whichever is less, when we calculate the inventory, it will be treated. When we calculate inventory, we taking the which price is less, the cost price or the market price. The lower price are taking. This is the personal judgment. When you prepare the financial statements, sometimes you're taking some personal judgment. There are a number of method of valuations of a stock, that is LIFO, last in first out, FIFO, first in first out, average cost method, standard cost method. This is one of the several methods for estimating the uncontrollable debt. Whenever we whenever we calculating the cost sheet, sometimes we apply FIFO method or LIFO method. This is the depending upon our personal judgment. These are the example of a personal judgment. In the today's lecture, we just understand the meaning of the financial statements and the nature of the financial statements. I hope you all of you understand the meaning of the financial statement. Basically, we call the financial statement is the combinations of a profit and loss account and the balance sheet. It's simply called, it is the record, or it is the analysis part of the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Nothing is here, only the analysis part of the profit and loss account and the balance sheet is called financial statements. This cover of a one accounting year transactions. We understand the meaning of the financial statements and how it is prepared. We understand the nature of the financial statements, like record fact, it records the historical data, or it record in the only monetary transactions recorded are taken. Then it follows the some rules and the regulations which we called the accounting conventions. Then some postulates. These are some personal judgment. These are the some basic nature the, of the financial statements. Before going to end the section, I want to say, please comment. I hope you understand the all the lecture. In the next lecture, we continue this series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.